Tonight, California needs more time. The nation's most populous state refusing to lift its face mask mandate for the fully vaccinated for another month, saying not enough residents are inoculated. But across the country in New York, where the vaccination rate is nearly the same, the state will begin implementing the CDC's new guidance Wednesday.
We have to reopen. We have to reopen smart.
With nearly every state expected to soon follow suit, today Target joined a growing list of popular retailers also no longer requiring face masks for the fully vaccinated.
You don't need to wear masks.
Actually, that's not accurate.
But local mandates still trump guidance from the CDC, sure to lead to more confrontations and confusion across the nation.
I think we've got to get some clarification from the CDC.
It's not just city leaders raising concern. Unions representing grocery store employees say essential workers are again at higher risk. The nation's largest nurses union argues the CDC guidelines are not based on science.
You have people that were naturally inclined not to wear masks that are now given free license to not wear a mask if they haven't been vaccinated.
But the CDC says if you're vaccinated, you are protected. The agency also hinted new guidelines could be coming for schools, summer camp, and travel.
Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Follow today's top stories and breaking news by downloading the NBC News app.